Hello mga ate mga kuya. Today is a interesting day because we are unboxing something that is not the newest product in the world. We are unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A80. This was launched about a year ago, I think. And this is a interesting smartphone from Samsung because it's got a motorized camera. That there is no more selfie camera. This is one of the first few, I guess, experiments or tries of Samsung to eliminate the front-facing camera hole on modern smartphones. So of course, right now, typically they would go with the punch hole on the S10 Plus, for example. But the A80 provided us with an interesting sort of flip camera design that eliminates the front bezel or notch. So we're gonna unbox it right now. I don't remember the price. I don't remember all of the specs. It's 1080p Super AMOLED in-display fingerprint, 48 megapixel main camera, and a 3D TOF camera. So let's unbox it and aside. So this is a typical extras channel content. We are just going to straight up unbox it. We're not gonna like review it. We're not gonna do benchmarks. We're not gonna do gaming. Just a straight up unboxing, top down. If you want more content about the Galaxy A80, let me know. We'll make it a video for the main channel, Tech Inspected. Okay, so let's get down to unboxing the Galaxy A80. Opo. Yan. Beep, beep. Okay guys, so here it is, the Samsung Galaxy A80. This is the box. You can sort of see the no-notch display right there and the sort of very cool flippy motorized camera. Galaxy 80 branding there. Got some information down here. You can see it is sort of like a different country variant. So I don't think we're gonna get NTC cover, NTC like stickers on this, but there is the back here, and you can see some of the details. This is powered by a Snapdragon 730 processor, so actually not a bad processor for this sort of upper mid-range smartphone. Inside the box, actually, there's something on the back of the corner there. We have a Samsung logo little pouch here. We have the SIM ejector tool, and inside here, you have a very simple quick start guide for the SMA805F/DS. There it goes. And then we have, looks like the phone itself. Oops. There is the phone. Let's power it up. There is the notchless display, Samsung Galaxy A80. Super AMOLED 2400 by 1080 AMOLED, Super AMOLED display. Does it have HDR? Let me check. No, it has always on. Doesn't seem to have HDR. This is, I think, a flat display as well. Yeah, it is a flat display. Has a screen protector over here. So let's peel that off. Because I noticed the screen protector was not in the center, so it will have an issue with the fingerprint scanner. Now, I did set this up already because it was already open when it came to my house. Let me put in my pin, and here we go. Phone is starting. There it is. There's the 1080p AMOLED display. There it is. I haven't set up most things here except for the buttons down there. Swipe down here. Pretty smooth navigation. This is running on Android, that's not it, Android 9. So I think Android 10 is about a month or so away in April 2020. So you can see that display has no notch up top here. And there is the bottom bezel. We don't get a case in the box, it seems, unless, you know, this version is not the Philippine variant. I don't know if the Philippine variant has a case, but I don't think so either. There's the scrolling. Looks pretty nice. Let's check out the front-facing camera. So turn on location tab, sure. Here's the normal camera. So it has a, whoa, come on, focus. There's a normal camera. It has a wide angle. There you go. Pretty good. And then there it comes. So there is the front-facing camera. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, not the front-facing camera. It actually is the back-facing camera, except it sort of folds back to the back when you're not using it. What a crazy concept. Something similar to maybe the Asus Zenfone 6 or 7, I think, but definitely kind of unique on its own. There you go. So the camera sensors here we have, let me flip it over. A touchscreen having, no, the touchscreen is so big that I have problems, you know, reaching over. That's what she said, eh? Come on, boy, focus. Okay, flip it over. So we have a 48 megapixel, 26 millimeter wide angle camera. And then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. And one of those is a 3D depth sensor camera. So one of the unique features of the Galaxy A80 is the 3D depth sensor camera. So it can do a lot when it comes to blurring out the background using live focus because it's using that 3D depth sensor. I'm not going to show you right now. Let's go back to photo mode. Anyway, we're like I said, we're unboxing. I hate the fact that when you miss a touch, it's gonna get an error mode that says can't zoom in this mode. Anyway, that's the main feature here. That is the display with no notch and the sort of revolving camera, revolver ocelot, revolving camera on the back. We have a Samsung logo, very subdued design in the back except for the revolving camera here. Samsung logo barely readable in this black color. There are sort of letterings, legal letterings on the back here. The camera isn't even getting to focus on it. There you go. So it is sort of like super stealth color in the back here. There's the logo. And you got all my fingerprints in there. We do have like protective plastic in some areas here, like a typical Samsung high-end product. It's got like corner protectors that, like I said, this unit doesn't seem to be brand new, so I've seen some, I've seen that it is slightly used, probably for testing purposes on Samsung, so it is, you know, they probably removed a lot of the plastic, but there it is, there's the phone. I just threw plastic on my floor. Okay, let's check out the other parts of the box here. We have Samsung quick charger with the round plug. This is in French. No, is it French? Outputs to 9 volts, 2.77 amps. Is that the maximum? Oh God, it's so hard to read. What is 9 volts, 2.77? I think that's like maybe 25. Yeah, 25 watt charger here. That's our charger, 25 watts. I did the math. Here is our USB cable. You can see that this USB cable has been used because there's no like plastic around it. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Cool. So this charger is already rocking the USB-C's life. And we have the headphone, which might be already used as well. There's no extra buds in the box, but it's probably because it's been used. Oh, there's the extra buds, kind of just lying around here. There you go. At least the package is still complete from Samsung. There's the extra buds. It's kind of like semi-transparent. That's kind of cool looking. Though these buds are, oh, these are USB Type-C buds, aren't they? Oh, yeah, cool. USB Type-C headphones right here, because this has no headphone jack. So this Galaxy A80 has no headphone jack on the bottom, just a USB Type-C. No optical image stabilization on the camera, so that's kind of a bummer, but it shoots 4K 30 with no stabilization, 1080p 30 with some with electronic image stabilization. So 4K. So what does it say? The selected resolution doesn't support video effects, but can it do stabilization? Where is stabilization? It's not here. It's not being shown. So maybe it's just have, you know, permanent stabilization. I don't know. But there is also, where's my where's my super steady mode is still here. So we do have super steady mode. It's going to be interesting to see if the super steady mode is good. It will make the front-facing camera like super steady, kind of cool super steady mode for front-facing camera. Anyway, kind of interesting phone with the revolving revolver ocelot. I just can't stop saying that. This has no, surprisingly, no front, no face unlock, but there is a fingerprint unlock. There you go. Relatively fast. I think this is an optical scanner, not a ultrasonic, that the one that the S10 Plus uses. But yeah, there is our straight up just unboxing, only unboxing of the Galaxy A80 in all its glory. So very interesting smartphone. Some people still are a big fan of the flippy screen, flippy camera. I do find it very kind of interesting. Plus I tried the selfie. It actually is super good selfies. Very high resolution selfies that you would expect, high quality selfies that you would expect in sort of a, in the main camera from an S10 Plus, for example. So that's about it for our unboxing only in the extras channel of the Samsung Galaxy A80. Hopefully you enjoyed that video, and if you want a review or full impressions like gaming and other, selfie camera, main camera tests and stuff like that, I will be prioritizing some other phones before this, so expect other phones to be reviewed before this. But for now, that is our straight up unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. Alexei Rivera here from Tech Inspected Extras. Please subscribe if you want more content. Plus comment us. Let us know what kind of content you want more, and if you're okay with this kind of just soft unboxing kind of content. Thanks for watching.